Hey parents, just a friendly reminder. All the photos that you have taken today is for your own viewing. Please keep it to your own. Don't publicize it.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess who lived in the castle with the king and queen. One day, a scary ogre came to the castle and scared the princess. The princess said, the ogre told the princess to come with him. And he took the princess and locked her up in the tower.
Please tell the princess.
The king said, one day, some brave knights heard the princess cry for help. The knights said, and they rode to the tower as fast as they could. But the ogre scared them away. The knights were very scared. And they ran away as fast as they could. One day, a friendly dragon was flying over the castle and heard the princess cry for help. The princess told the dragon. The dragon told the princess,
I will thank you. Dad.
but the ogre came to scare him away.
I'm a scary ogre. Go away.
But the dragon wasn't scared.
I'm not scared.
The dragon blew fire at the ogre, and the ogre fell and splashed into the ocean. The princess thanked the dragon.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you.
The dragon told the princess to come with him.
Have a baby girl.
And the princess got on the dragon's back. They flew high in the sky. They flew high in the sky.
I can fly.
And the dragon took the princess back to the castle. The king and queen were very happy. The queen said,
Thank you for saying princess.
the king said, and the dragon said, they all lived happily ever after. The end.